Hello family, Zaya welcomes you back to another cooking recipe on how to prepare the Nigerian Egusi soup. Our ingredients are some tomatoes and pepper, egusi seeds, salt, ginger powder, fresh coriander and curry leaves, dried bitter leaf, Maggi for seasoning, beef or lamb but I'm using lamb, fresh ugu leaf, dried fish and stock fish, and then some palm oil. Firstly, we start by cooking the meat. Add the lamb to the pot, add a cup of water, add washed, dried and stock fish, add onions, add Maggi and salt, add some ginger powder, add washed dried bitter leaf and cook for 20 minutes and set aside. Egusi seeds and set aside. Chop the ugu leaf, coriander leaf and curry leaf and set aside as well. Palm oil to the hot pot and fry. Add in the blended tomatoes and pepper and fry a bit. Add in the egusi powder and fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Stir the egusi at intervals to avoid burning. Add in the cooked meat and bitter leaf with the stock and cook for 10 minutes. Add little water if it's too thick. Add the fresh coriander and curry leaf. fresh ugu leaf and turn off the heat so as not to overcook the leaf, as you know some valuable vitamins can be lost. Egusi soup can be eaten with garri, semolina or moisturized, that's tuwon shinkafa, and other swallows.